All right, this trick is called Abrakadabra. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna deal out 3 piles of 7. So 1, 2, 3. You're gonna put the rest of the cards off to the side, and so you're only dealing with these 3 piles right here. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna have the audience member take one of the piles, whatever one they choose, and then you are going to have them pick the pile up and look at the cards. And you don't want them to pick one out, you just want them to stare at one and memorize it. Okay, and once they do that, they're supposed to give you the cards back. Okay, and you want to put their pile in the middle of the other 2 piles. Okay, so now you want to deal out the cards like this. One pile, 2 pile, and then the 3rd pile. Then you want to start back at the 1st pile. Then you're going to just keep continuing this the whole way. Okay, so it should work out like that every time. So then you want to ask the audience member if their card is in this pile. Alright, so it's not in that pile. So you want to ask them if it's in the next pile. Not in there. And so it should be in this pile. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to put that pile in the middle of the other 2 decks, like so. And then you want to deal it out like you did before, just like this. And just keep doing that. Okay, so then again, you want to ask the audience member, is their card in this pile that they memorized? Okay, it's not. Is it in this pile? It is. So you want to, again, put it in the middle of the other 2 piles. So this is, again, your 2nd time. This is your 3rd time, actually. You want to make sure that you count out the amount of times that you're dealing it out like this. So the 3rd time is going to be the last time that you deal it out. Then again, show the audience member, is our card in that pile? No. Is it in this one? Okay, so it is in this one. So the 3rd time, we then again put it in the middle. But now, instead of dealing them out, we're gonna take the cards. And the reason that it's called Abrakadabra is we're gonna spell out Abrakadabra across the table, and their card is gonna be on the last A. It will work out every single time. So make sure you spell it correctly. A, B, R, A, K, A, D, A, B, R. And that should be their card that they memorized every time.
Yep.